Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, or if you're new, welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'm gonna show you guys how to achieve these boho braids that I've been seeing on Instagram. I know that it's not a new hairstyle, but it recently resurfaced, so I might as well show you guys how to do them. And they are super easy, you guys. They're literally just mini braids with some pieces pulled out. I think you can also do this with mini twists, but that is for another day. Yes, and anybody that can braid can do this hairstyle basically. As you guys can see, I have a small piece left because I did the majority of my hair, and I didn't really worry about parting too much because I'm just lazy sometimes. But if you want to part, you can do that. But yeah, let's get into the video, and don't forget to hit that like button and make sure you subscribe if you're new, because you're gonna want to see more of my videos. So let's go. So I'm starting off on old hair. Let's be precise, 2-week-old hair. I didn't do all the washing, conditioning and everything because I'm gonna wash my hair after this style, so that's why I postponed my wash day. But back to the actual braid. Yes, as you guys can see, I'm just lightly finger detangling, and I'm gonna spread some water just to take out all the knots, because that is gonna help me with a quicker takedown process when I'm ready to take my braids down. Next up is my Eco Styler gel. I just take a little bit and apply that to the roots of my hair. You know, you don't have to do this part, this is optional, but I just like it this way. And I usually only do this to the front, okay? But I put some Eco Styler gel, and then we're gonna start braiding. So I'm just starting off with a simple 3-strand braid, and you can see I left the roots a little bit poofy because of headaches. And then I'm gonna take out my piece right here. I would suggest for you to not take out a piece that is too big, but that is it. And I just put it in my mouth just to keep it in place. And yes, I did regret putting on lip gloss that day, guys. So I'm just gonna continue my braid, and you guys are gonna see that I'm gonna go over into a twist in about a second. Yes, right here, because that is gonna give me a little bit more volume on my ends, and also it's gonna make my takedown process a little quicker, and who doesn't love that? But yeah, I only took out one piece, but you can take out 2 or 3, but please don't go overboard with it because the maintenance is gonna catch up with you. But yeah, I'm gonna show you guys a couple of more times, so don't worry if you didn't get it on the first one. So you're gonna see that with this braid, I'm taking out a shorter piece than the last one because I don't like to make them uniform or anything. They have to be different. This is a longer piece right here, and this is a shorter piece, you know, for a nice variation. And yeah, it also looks cuter that way. So one thing you're also gonna see is that I left some braids pretty plain. I didn't pull out any pieces just because I did not want to overdo it. So I'm finished with the braiding process, and this is what it looks like. You can see the pieces. So now we're just gonna define the pieces with my extreme gel. This gel is a little more watery, so that's why I use it. Okay, that bird really tried to mess with me, but okay. With this part, I don't really have to do a lot of explaining. I just take my gel and I curl it. You can skip this part because I saw some people that just left the pieces like that, but this is how I do it. It looks super cute, but yeah, I just put on the gel and I curl it with my fingers. So we're finally done and it looks cute, right guys? Let me know in the comments down below, and please ignore the big braid in the back. I was starting to get lazy, but yeah, this is it, you guys. You could add some jewelry to your hair. It's super cute. The maintenance is super easy. If you want a video on that, let me know. But yeah, like I said, if you're new, make sure you subscribe and leave me a like, a comment down below, and make sure to follow me on all my social media. I will be linking everything in the in my description box below. And yeah, see you guys in my next video. Bye bye.